Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best rope clamps is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for anyone working with ropes, whether you're a seasoned climber, a sailor navigating the open seas, or simply someone who needs to secure heavy loads. In this video, we will explore the world of rope clamps, examining their various types, applications, and most importantly, how to choose the right one for your specific needs, ensuring both safety and efficiency in your tasks. We'll cover everything from the materials used to the clamping mechanisms, helping you make an informed decision. Number 5. Ravenox Metal Rope Clamps. These clamps are designed for ropes, wires, and cords from 3/8" to 5/8". They're easy to use and provide a secure hold. They're great for a variety of applications, from dog leashes and keychains to more industrial uses. It's a versatile and durable solution. Available in packs of 2, 4, 20, 50, or 100, you can find the perfect quantity for your needs. We offer convenient ordering options. They adapt to different cordage sizes. The ends will either meet or slightly overlap depending on the rope thickness. As a veteran-owned and women-led business, we stand behind our products. They meet the highest manufacturing standards. What we like. It boasts a wide range of applications, from securing dog leashes to reinforcing boat lines. Its robust build ensures long-lasting performance. If you need a reliable clamp for various uses and appreciate having options for different rope thicknesses, this is the one for you. What people say. These clamps worked good on my replacement rope for my extension ladder, easy to crimp to the rope. Makes a solid loop. Has teeth which grasp the rope. We had to replace the clasp on a couple of old horse leases and these clamps replaced the originals. They've held up to weeks of use so far and I don't think we'll have any problems. Number 4. ISPINNER Cable Clamp Kit. This kit provides everything you need for various applications. It's built to last with high-quality materials and a versatile design. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, it offers superior corrosion resistance. This ensures a long lifespan, even in harsh conditions. The U-shaped design is simple yet effective. It securely holds your cables and wires with a strong grip. This kit includes a variety of sizes to fit your needs. You'll find 1/16, 1/8, 3/16, and 1/4 clamps, with a total of 25 pieces. It comes neatly packaged in a transparent plastic case for easy storage and organization. You'll always know where to find what you need. Use it for rigging ropes, securing loads, hanging banners, or any project involving cables. The possibilities are endless. What we like. This kit provides a variety of sizes to suit your different needs. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and resistance to rust. If you work with various cable sizes and need a corrosion-resistant solution, this assortment kit is perfect. What people say. The set is well made. The screws and the clamp are heavy. The variety of sizes is the biggest help. This kit can handle a variety of jobs. I like the different sizes because it allows me to repair different sizes carrying a small simple kit. Number 3. Weaver Leather Rope Clamp. Introducing the Weaver Leather Double Rope Clamp. It's designed for quick and easy rope securing, perfect for various equestrian needs. This clamp is made from durable zinc-plated material, ensuring long-lasting performance and resistance to wear and tear. Setting it up is a breeze. You can use a hammer or a clamp setter for secure installation. It's ideal for lead ropes, neck ropes, lunge lines, cross ties, whatever your equestrian needs may be. With precise measurements of 1x1 to 7/8", it's perfectly sized for various rope types. This clamp is a testament to Weaver Leather's commitment to quality and durability. It's built to withstand the rigors of daily use. What we like. It's designed for quick and easy rope securing. The high-quality materials ensure a reliable hold. If you need a simple, yet effective solution for thicker ropes, this clamp is a great choice. What people say. Works great. Works well for what I needed. Widerstandsfähig und fest, jedik nur mit Spezialseingebiegbar, ansonsten Hammern oder Schlagen. Festigkeit okay, while aber bei Murfichem Zurückbiegen können Volltungen reißen. Number 2. M3 Stainless Steel Cable Clamp. This clamp is made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to corrosion. It's perfect for a variety of applications. It's precisely engineered for long-lasting performance, even in harsh environments. You can rely on it to keep your cables secure. Use it for steel rope tightening in various settings, from industrial applications to home improvements. It's versatile and reliable. The advanced polishing treatment enhances its corrosion resistance, providing superior protection. This ensures a longer lifespan. The unique duplex, two-post design provides a more secure and tidy tightening effect compared to single-bolt clamps. It's efficient and aesthetically pleasing. For detailed dimensions and specifications, please refer to the product images. Make sure it's the perfect fit for your needs. This convenient pack of 14 clamps ensures you'll always have enough on hand for your projects. Get yours today. What we like. This advanced design provides superior tightening and a neat appearance. Made from durable stainless steel, it resists corrosion. If you value a strong, corrosion-resistant clamp with a refined design, this option is ideal. What people say. These clamps are really strong, when used properly, and the screws are torqued down to a good measure. With the 1/8 cable I was using, one could probably support my weight easily. These stainless steel ones hold up very well too. I have had one set outside for almost 2 years and it shows nearly no tarnish. I used these to string some support 332 support cable for some cafe lights and they are simple to install. Despite what other reviewers claim, they grip extremely well and blend in and disappear as they should. Number 1. Heavy-duty rope clamps. These clamps are made from high-quality stainless steel, built to last. They're highly resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring long-term performance. They're designed to perfectly fit ropes from 8 mm to 12 mm in diameter. It provides a secure hold, no matter the rope size. These double clamps are ideal for joining rope ends or securing 2 ropes together. They're perfect for creating loops or custom tie-offs. These heavy-duty clamps have many uses. From making leashes and keychains to marine applications, they're incredibly versatile. You can depend on these clamps for a secure and reliable hold every time. They're perfect for various tasks, both indoors and outdoors. What we like. These clamps are built to withstand heavy use. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and resistance to corrosion. If you need a robust clamp for demanding tasks, this is the one to choose. What people say. The rope I used is 10.2 mm in diameter, which worked well within the size of the clamps. Each piece felt solid and was well formed. There were no mid-formed pieces, nor were there any sharp edges. I used a small machinist's vise, channel lock pliers, and hammer with a dull concrete chisel to bend and fold this clamp. The pliers get the party started by bending the ears inward. The vise keeps the clamp from spreading outward. The hammer and chisel bend the ears down and inward until both rope segments are clamped. Only takes a couple minutes and finishes clean. Simple to use and look neat and tidy. Worked great on nylon rope that typically is hard to tie a clean knot with. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.